Okay, this is gonna be like my second video thingy, whatever. Never done this before. This is just a test, just to see if it actually works. But yeah, it's gonna be really laggy since I have a really bad computer. But yeah, so yeah, pretty much. But yeah. I'm actually, yeah, been playing this game for a long time actually, so yeah. Longer than you've been born! No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so yeah, only like what 13. Actually, I just turned 13 on November 26th. That's pretty cool. But yeah, so I don't know. I don't really know how this works, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah, yeah. What?
What the heck? Are you doing another video?
Yep.
Oh.
That's why it's so laggy. Hey, who do you think you are?
Who else watching?
I don't know, just anyone. Sorry, my sister's so interested. I don't know, I was just saying stuff. The first thing I did was just to see if it was gonna actually work. Hey! Get down! Who do you think you are? Hold on a second. Okay, wait. Oh, wait! Oh! Oh, this is interesting. I've never done this before. I didn't think you could do this. Oh, I guess this makes it kind of less laggy, sorta. Usually it's not this laggy when I play it normally, but yeah. Just so long as it's big enough for me to kill this person. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's go. Wait, pause. I'm just gonna do this side too. Easy. Oh wow, it's not even... Okay, well, I guess I figured that out nicely. That's nice. Although, it's still a little laggy, sorry guys. Yeah, so... Hey! Die. I didn't want to risk doing a ranked match. But, I don't know, maybe it'll work, I don't know. Okay, die, go die. Yeah. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably don't know how to, like, throw like this. I don't know, maybe. But I've never, a lot of people probably don't know how to do that. It's kind of hard, I don't know. It's weird, but yeah. So what you do is you kind of like hold, like, if you're on the computer, then you just kind of hold it in the place, like, so A and W, if you were to hold that, first you have to click down whatever button you use to throw, the one you're most comfortable with throwing with, and then you hold hold the throwing button, and then you hold W or A, or if you're using a controller, you would hold, like, make the joystick, whatever you call it, thingy, go to the left or right corner or so, and then you would let go, and it should throw at a diagonal angle. Sometimes it's weird, it like throws, okay, like no, no, I don't know how to do it. I can't really do it, it's just kind of random. I don't know. For me, Naz, can you go away, please? Oh, that's nice. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Wait, what was I saying again? I forgot what I was saying. I was saying the button I used to throw that works for me the best for maybe recommendation would probably be to use the scroll button. But yeah, just when you fit it down, whatever you call it. So yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah. So yeah, bye bye.